into our channel. We are so much excited to share this strategy with you in this new year 2021. Guys, I would like to give you a brief explanation, a brief clarity on how to scalp in this volatility using the RSI and the moving average. I'm gonna show you with this strategy you'll make a reasonable profits, but specifically you use the short, like the lower time frame. But I I personally specialize on using the 15 minutes time frame to enter and exit my trades. So let us begin. Please do not forget to like our video and so also subscribe to our channel so that whenever we are posting new strategies, you'll be able, or you'll be the first person to know and utilize those strategies as early as possible. So let's get started. First things first, we have to add our indicators. We have to add our indicators, but what I can say about the volatility indices is that mostly what I've observed is that they rely more candlesticks, dodgy candlesticks. Always when you see a dodgy candlestick on the volatility indices, and also the bullish and the bearish pin bars, the engulfing patterns, make sure you take a closer look to all those candlesticks. The candlesticks patterns, they are very much respected. See, here is what you call the okay, I'm sorry, let me remove this circle. You see, here is what I'm talking about. You see, this is a doji. The you see, that is a morning, that's a hammer. You see that the patterns, they enhance every trader to predict the current movement, and also the patterns, the chart patterns, they are also key in this type of trading. So whenever you are willing to trade, make sure you first identify the zones. You identify the zones. You see, you after identifying the zones, then the market will respect the zones. The market, that's what gonna happen. So the indicators we are giving you, they are here only to confirm. They are not here to tell you buy, sell, but they confirm after you identify the zones. You see, so when if the market break the zones, see, if the market break this zone, it will tell it. If it breaks, it will excuse me, it will go down and then go back to retest. And also if it happens to break this zone, there will be always a reversal. So make sure that whenever you are using our strategies, do not rely only to the indicators. The indicators, they assist you in confirmation. So we will start by adding the two indicators, which is the RSI. You make the period to be 10, apply to close. I made the 3 megapixels. The levels are 90, 95, 90, 50, 25, 5 and 10. Then you click done. This is what you're gonna see. The only the lines. Then we add the moving average. The period is 1, shift 0. The method is simple, apply to close. I made 3, then you click done. So that's what we're gonna see here. What will happen is that the first trick you need to do is that you observe the 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 moving average, the line which is greenish to brownish, which is the moving average. Then you observe each movement. For instance, if you want, for instance, the location of the market right now, it's on no man's land. No man's land meaning it's not eligible to do any action, but if I can see with my knowledge, the market at the support zone, support level. So if it breaks, it will be a good sell. So if it retests, if it tests the level and a reversal is experienced, it's gonna continue to be a buy. Why do we say it's gonna continue to be a buy? It's because if we see our RSI to the window below, it is above the moving average and RSI, they are above 50. At all instances, never attempt any trade when the 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 RSI is above 50. You don't attempt to do a sell. But when the RSI has crossed the 50 line, the 50% line, it means now the the selling power is there. You see, so we attempt a sell whenever this line, the blue line, this line, you see this line is at this level, at the 90 or close to the 90 level, or the momentum is bearish when this line is below this level and it is pointed downwards, then we can say that the momentum is a sell. For instance, in this case here, you see here, you see the market has been bearish, 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 because the momentum has been below the 50, below this line, the 50% level. So in that way, the line is, the RSI settings help us to see the trend. Also, when the RSI is above 50, you don't attempt a sell. If it is above 50 and pointed upwards, you see here the trend has been going up because the RSI. So this strategy is will also assist you in that aspect. We can also come here, move backwards a little bit. The RSI, I'm sorry, let me remove this. You see here the RSI is above the 50% zone, meaning the trend has been up, up. You see here, the trend has been up, up, up. You see, it's been going this direction. You see, everything began here, you see. So that's how we utilize our RSI. Can I repeat this? What you need to observe is that the RSI is above or below the 50% level. Sometimes when the RSI is pointed upwards, it means it is the signal confirms a buy. When it's pointed downwards, the signal confirms a sell. Let us go to the moving average now. So the moving average, it's our closest confirmation of the signal. When the moving average is or closer to the 10% level, it's a clean buy. And the two pointed upwards, it's a clean buy. You see, when it is closer or to the nail, only the moving average. So the overbought and oversold levels, we only use them when they are at the specific areas. You see here, if we can observe the moving average, this was here at the 90 level, and you see where the market is. It's been a clean sell, and here the moving average was at the 10% level. You see the trend was beginning here. You see that's how we use our strategy. If we check also in this side, when it is closer to the 10% or at the 10% zone, we buy. You see, we buy the moving average. When it is at the 90%, don't make that mistake. 90% here, we can use the pointer to, I can also use the pointer to show you the accuracy of this moving average. These settings, it took me so long to get these settings. You see here, the same level, when they are the moving average is at the 90%, 90 or 95, you sell. Also here, you see here, you sell, guys. Let's make this money. It's gonna work for everyone. So that is how you can scalp with a very small account for maximum profit. Like I told you at the beginning of the video, that here the market is currently at the market is currently at the support level. So we won't be in a good position of taking any sell or a buy. But since now the RSI is approaching to cross the 50% level, so we are looking for a breakout. If it breaks this line, it means that it is ready to be a sell. So after a confirmation candle, someone can attempt a sell and take profit will be at this area. Then after this area, that's the second support. You see now, it's a very good buy. After this area, then there has to be a reversal, because like I've said at the beginning of this video, after every area like the resistance or the support, when the market reaches that direction, there has to be a reversal. In that way, you never make profits. If in here, you can also observe that there is an M pattern. Please check some of our videos, so we'll get all this stuff. It's already there. After this neckline, there has to be a reversal. Here, there has to be the market will go when it reaches this the support area. There has to be a reversal, and also to complete this pattern. After completing this pattern, also there has to be a reversal. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your attention. Please continue to support us. Share our videos, share our strategies to all your friends and to all your loved ones. Make sure you utilize these strategies, and please do comment in the comment section below. You see now the candlestick, it shows that it's a confirmed sell. It's below the 50% the 50% level RSI, meaning the trend has confirmed it to be down. So you should be making profits. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet in our next video. Bye bye.